Hi y'all, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here. Real simple project today. We're going to be making baby's first Christmas ornament. This is a free pattern download from Steve Good over on his website. I'll leave a link to his website down in the description below where you can go and download this pattern. 3 options available when you print out the patterns. So what we're going to do is focus on just one of them in this video, but feel free to cut out all 3. The one I particularly like and we're going to be doing today is this one, the little baby foot with 2018 in it, and I like it overall because it symbolizes the mother's love for a newborn baby. But right now I'm going to get the pattern cut out, attach it to the 1/4-inch plywood. We're going to stack cut and get 2 copies at once. Also got the piece of poster board in between so I can get a stencil in case anyone wants more. But let me get the pattern attached to the wood and then we'll get started. And here is the finished ornaments. Like I said, we got 2 as a result of stack cutting ready to be finished. Also got a stencil at a poster board. I think these little ornaments are very simple to make if you're familiar on the scroll saw. I think they would look good painted a light blue or a light pink, depending, or stained a nice color, or just left natural and sprayed with a couple coats of clear coat. But they turned out real good. This is just simple basic 1/4-inch plywood that I picked up and had some scraps lying around. I think they turned out real good. That is all for this video. Please continue to like and share my videos, and if you haven't, please click the subscribe button. Check out some of my other videos. I'll try to post one up here in the corner floating around somewhere, either that corner or that corner. But please continue to stick around. I'll have more awesome content on the way. Remember, if I can make it, you can make it. Always challenge yourself with projects and new skills. Take care, guys. I'm the Artisan Pirate, and I'll see you real soon.